Hey everyone, we're back with $100 to $1,000 update. The market is very bad currently. So, do we need to adjust our strategy or can we keep on going with our strategy? Well, I've looked through it and I've decided to adjust my strategy to make sure I keep up with the current market conditions. Now, we'll go through what we're doing with each one and I'll leave my strategy to the end. The first one we're in is the animal farm. The animal farm is the first deflationary, fully decentralized ownership yield farm lending protocol where participants earn as an owner of the network. The super wealthy do not build and protect their wealth through selling their assets. They accumulate and then leverage their assets while living off the dividends. The animal farm captures the financial power and puts it in the hands of the platform's participants. Now, the animal farm is unique due to the fact that it gives you the option of up to 3% daily, depending on your compound and withdrawal sequence. The drip garden is a true game where all players start out relatively equal, and what determines your payout is how often you plant your seed compound, beats how often you sell them withdraw. Below is a graph showing the buying power over time and balance compared to other games such as Shrimp Farmer and Miners. Existing games give insiders over 100,000% more buying power than players who get in after launch, allowing them to drain the contract and de-incentivize new capital from coming in. As you can see, the drip garden increases buying power over time and as the balance of the contract grows, ensuring that you will always get a fair rate. There is still a benefit to getting in early because the earlier your plants get in the ground, the larger you can grow your garden, outperform the competition. The time multiplier is designed to attract new waves capital after we have reached saturation and the contract growth has slowed due to the buying power of new capital creeping up by 0.1% non-compounding every day. This means there will always be a time in the future where it makes sense for fresh capital to come in and kickstart a new wave gardeners. Now if we look at the drip garden, we currently have $1.80 which we can withdraw or we can compound. If we go and look at Piston, Piston token is our second contract of the three. It's a Binance Smart Chain token built on best-in-its-class decentralized technology. Piston was designed to run an ecosystem, earn rewards by depositing your tokens in the Piston Race dashboard app. Now if we go to the race, we can see the Piston Race earns 1% daily income until 365% of your investment was reached. Looking at our dashboard, we're currently standing on a profit of 83 cents due to the fact that the Piston price did come down since we got into it. Looking at the Drip network, the Drip network is the latest project developed by Forex Sock and his team. The official token of the Drip network is Drip BEP20 on the Binance Smart Chain blockchain, BSC, that captures value by being scarce, deflationary, censorship resistant, and by being built on a robust, truly decentralized blockchain. The recommended exchange for trading Drip is the Fountain contract, which can be found directly on the platform's website under the Swap tab, as it allows us to waive the initial 10% tax on buys and provides the lowest prices and highest liquidity, resulting in less slippage for larger trades. Now if we go and look at the faucet, since we're in the faucet is the Drip faucet is a low risk, high reward contract that operates similarly to a high yield certificate of depositing by paying out 1% daily return on investment up to 365%. Players can compound and extend their earnings through deposits, hydrating compounding, rewards, as well as through team-based referrals. Now that's a major thing, the team-based referrals. This challenge we're trying to build from the ground up with 0 referrals. As you can see in the drip network, we have 0 referrals. We go to the Piston, you can see we have 0 referrals. If we go to the animal farm and click on referrals, you can see as well we got 0 referrals. Now this is important. We're trying to generate profits with 0 referrals just by using the contracts. Now these contracts will keep on dripping into your pocket. The only thing that's going to fluctuate is the price of the drip token, of the piston token, and of the LP on the animal farm. Now the strategy I do have in mind, since our values are still low, 81 cents, 83 cents, and $1.79. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to leave it as it is today. The moment the drip garden reaches $5, I'll make my next video because I'm going to withdraw the $5. Then from here on, I'm going to compound the drip garden while we choose another contract which we were going to wait on until it has reached $5. Then we'll compound that contract until the third contract has reached $5. And then we'll leave the drip garden again. So we're going to build it up to $5 to make it worthwhile. Because to compound 80 cents in piston and in drip is not worth it. So today I'm just going to let it roll over and build up. The animal farm will probably give us $5 within the next week or so. Then we'll take profits. We'll see at what amount drip and piston is, and we might compound them, and then we'll decide which one we're going to leave until that one has reached $5. Then again, we'll decide which one we're going to leave until that one has reached $5 while compounding the other two. It's an idea to build it up until the price corrects. The moment the price corrects of all the contracts, it's going to be easier. But until then, we'll work around it. Leave me your thoughts and concerns down in the comments. Let me know what strategy you think we should do. And remember, smash that like and subscribe button, and let's keep building the community. Have a great one.